So here we have perfect competition and the short run equilibrium. And as we should know, in the short run, firms can actually make supernormal profits, even in perfect competition. So we know that where MC equals MR, that's where we profit maximize. So at this point, if you drop down to the quantity, this is the output we produce. But what we can see is that the average total cost is actually below our average revenue, and we know the difference between those two are actually our profits. So in the short run, we can make supernormal profits because our average total cost is less than our average revenue. However, if we look to the long run, what happens is that the supply shifts out. And the supply shifts out because we know in perfect competition, in the long run, we can actually have firms entering the market. So they will see this supernormal profit being made in the market and essentially want a piece of that pie. So they'll enter the market, which will shift our supply curve out from S to S1, where the firms are hoping to make some of that supernormal profit. But because it's so easy to enter the market, it's often the case that too many firms do, and this supply curve shifts out and reduces price below our average total cost curve. So now our average revenue curve, which we know is the price, is below our total cost, and therefore we're making subnormal profits at S1 MD. So what happens then is when, like firms entering the market, firms can also leave the market. So the firms will leave the market, shifting the supply curve back up to our level S2 to the point where we're again making normal profits and we're back to the normal perfect competition equilibrium.